There are over tens and thousands of AI tools out there which are overhyped, so here are a few that save me hours upon hours every single day. I've been spending a lot of time learning about AI and researching which tools help you save the most amount of time. And the realization that I've come to is it's not about using the most amount of tools, it's about using the right ones. So these are the 5 that I actually use. Number 1, Claude. And if you're not familiar with Claude, it is an AI model similar to ChatGPT that acts as a versatile chatbot and collaborator for tasks like writing, scripting, analyzing complex documents, coding, and image analysis. However, I personally use Claude when I'm building automations, writing scripts, or trying to understand how something works. If I get stuck, I just ask it to break things down step by step. This is probably the tool that I use the most right now. Now let me show you what I mean. Here's person A. They're trying to build something. They're stuck, searching things up, going through forums, trying to figure out everything manually. Now that's not inherently a bad thing, except it doesn't save a lot of time. Now here's where Claude comes in. Here's person B using Claude. They ask a question, get a clear breakdown, fix the problem, and move on instantly. That's the difference I've noticed just from using this one tool. Number 2, NA10. NA10 is basically a workflow automation tool that lets you connect different apps and create systems. I use NA10 to actually build automations, for example, taking data from one place and sending it to an AI model, and then outputting the result somewhere else. So instead of doing things manually, you can just let the system run and do things for you. At first this was honestly confusing to me, but once it clicks, you realize how powerful it actually is. Number 3, Apify. Apify is a tool that lets you scrape data from websites automatically. I use it to collect data, which then I can feed into AI. For example, pulling information from websites and using inside automations, or even transcribing videos. Because the reality is, AI is only as good as the data you give it. So having a way to actually get that data at scale is really powerful. Now think about it like this. As person A, they manually search for information, copy things, and try to organize it themselves. And it just gets messy and they end up wasting a lot of time. Person B, they use Apify to pull all that data automatically and feed it into an AI system. Number 4. Now this one is a bit different, but I honestly think it's the most useful one in this video. It's a website called There's an AI for That. It's basically a directory of AI tools for pretty much anything you can think of. I use this whenever I'm trying to solve a specific problem or just discover new tools. And instead of searching randomly, I just go here and see what already exists. Because the AI space moves really fast and it's easy to fall behind if you don't know what's out there. So this saves me a lot of time, and it could save you a lot of time as well. Number 5, HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI powered video generation platform that enables users to create professional looking videos featuring realistic AI avatars and voiceovers that looks just like you and has your voice. This video was generated by HeyGen and now it's using my voice. It can also recreate a clone of me, capturing my likeness and mannerisms. With this technology, the possibilities are endless. Imagine having a digital twin that can represent you in various scenarios, making communication and content creation more dynamic than ever. Welcome to the future of personalized video content. So yeah, those are the 5 AI tools I wish I started using earlier. And the biggest thing I've realized, it's not about the individual tools, it's about how you combine them. You've got AI models like Claude, automation tools like NA10, and data tools like Apify. And when you start putting them together, that's when you can actually build systems that save a lot of time, and you could even sell it to businesses. So if you're like me and you're interested in AI, automations, and building things, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to stay tuned as I will be documenting my whole journey of how I go from 0 to hero. So take care guys, that's it for today, bye.